Worried about unauthorized transactions on your Varo card? Let's take control of your card's security in under 2 minutes. First, open the Varo app on your phone. You should see your account balances and recent transactions right on the home screen. Look for the card lock feature. It may appear as an icon or a button. Tap on your Varo card to access the card details screen. This screen will show you all the information related to your card, including your card number and security settings. On the card details screen, find the lock card or freeze card toggle. It's usually a switch that you can turn on or off. To lock your card, simply toggle the switch to the on position. This will instantly prevent any new transactions from being processed. You should see a confirmation message that your card is now locked. This means that your card is protected from any unauthorized use. Remember, you can still access your account and manage your funds within the app, but no new purchases or withdrawals can be made with the card. When you're ready to use your card again, simply return to the card details screen and toggle the lock card switch back to the off position. You'll see another confirmation message letting you know that your card is unlocked and ready to use. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily lock and unlock your Varo card anytime you need extra security. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful Varo tips.